To make a simple concrete planter, get a pair of rectangular boxes of slightly different sizes. The smaller box should be about 2 inches, 5 centimeters shorter on each side than the bigger one. Wrap the smaller box in a plastic garbage bag and tape the bag in place. Measure up 2 inches, 5 centimeters from the inside bottom of the larger box and draw a line at that level all around the inside of the container. Coat the inside of the larger box with cooking spray to keep the concrete from sticking. Pour concrete into the bottom of the larger box up to the level of the line you drew. Then set the smaller container inside the larger one. Fill the smaller box with stones or sand to keep it from floating around. Then pour more concrete into the space between the sides of the 2 containers. Let the concrete cure for a full day, then carefully pull the smaller container out of the mold. Flip the larger container upside down to release the planter. Paint or decorate the planter however you like.